Hi, another week, another video. Are you ready? Let's jump into another exciting coding concept, loops. In the last video, we talked about debugging, how to find and fix errors in our code. You even tackled a fun challenge, fixing a broken square drawing program. Today, we are leveling up by learning how to make that square drawing code even better with loops. Imagine this. You are doing jumping jacks for exercise. Instead of saying jump land, jump land, jump land, jump land over and over again, your instructor just says do 10 jumping jacks. That's loop. It saves time and keep things efficient. In coding, loops helps us repeat actions without writing the same instruction over and over. Let's look at an example. Last assignment, you had to fix this block of code to make the square accurate. And yeah, this is the accurate square that we have drawn. But if you notice the line of code, we realize that we have multiple move forward and turn commands in order to draw the square. So why repeat the same steps 4 times when we can use a loop? Look at the code. Move forward, turn right. Move forward, turn right. Move forward, turn right. Move forward. So much repetition. Now, let's look at how a loop can make it clearer and smarter. So we have less repetition. Instead of writing the same commands 4 times, we can use a loop to repeat them automatically. In code.org, where we are, there's a special block called the repeat block. So, what are we looking for? The repeat block. We are going to have to look for that in the loop. This is the special block. Now we moved it out. Then what are we going to do? We would wrap our move and turn right inside the repeat block. But then something is very important. We have to take note of how many times we want to run this. Let's adjust our code. First, we'll take out the move code. Then we'll put in our repeat block. Now, let's look at these blocks that we removed. How many times did they occur? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So let's look at this. We will put one move and one turn in here. So we are doing these steps, but how many times? 4 times. Then we can delete this whole block, of course. Does that make sense? We are repeating it 4 times. Move forward and then turn right. So let's reduce the speed and let's run. Yeah, there you have it. A square drawn. It did the moves 4 times. Instead of listing every step one by one, the computer follows the instruction inside the repeat block exactly 4 times. Now, it's your turn. Your task: modify the triangle drawing code, whose link is in the description below. That the code uses loops instead of repeating the same instructions over and over. Can you figure out how many times the loops should run? Check the description for the link. and try out the assignment. Loops make coding so much easier and help you write smarter programs. If this was helpful, like this video, subscribe to the Coding Club House, and hit the bell icon for more fun lessons. Or book a one-on-one session with me on Purpling. Link is in the description below. Do drop a comment if you have any questions or if you've cracked the assignment. See you next time. Happy coding. Bye.